This is the lift at Sabres in Swansea City Centre. It's an Orona. Sadly, it's staff only. It looks like it's not even turned on, actually. This is the lift at Waterstones in Swansea City Centre. It's a Curti lift. It's an old Curti lift. It's got these weird sort of semicircle, sort of crescent-shaped buttons. If I'm remembering wrong, it should be -1, 0 and 1, and it's 0, 1, 2. Actually 2, 3 should be 3, 4. Not there actually. I know 2, 3. No, that's right, because that's 2, 1, and then that's 2, 3. That would be probably called 3, 4 in the lift. So it is 2, maybe it's 2, 4, 6. I'm guessing it'd be called 3, 4 in the controller. It's an old Curti lift, capacity 6 to 8 kilos, 8 persons. I don't know where it's installed. It's quite old though. I'm guessing like late 90s, early 2000s, maybe mid 90s actually. Let's go down. Look at the little doors, wow. Maintained by Accord, that's new. It's not the ones at next actually. Moving. Hello. Oh crap. Okay, we are moving. Yeah, like a ground. There it goes. This is the lift at River Island in Swansea City Centre. Very creepy lift, this. I think it's Curti, I'm not too sure. It's got one. Press and hold. Nice motor sound. Capacity 3 persons, 225 kilos. Don't know what's installed. Guessing mid 90s to early 2000s probably. Maybe mid 2000s actually, I don't know. Probably early 2000s, but I don't know, it could be mid 2000s. Could be installed in mid 2000s, but I'm guessing, I don't know, I'm guessing the latest would it could have been installed with the early 2000s. Got down to G or 0. It's been taped up, the phone system. Stop. I guess it's not in use anymore. Emergency stop button. Overloaded button. Key switch for a basement maybe? Don't know. There it goes. That lift sign's broken. I think it was did like a penal lift fitting room sign, and upstairs it lit up green. I think the one upstairs lights up green. This was the old sports direct. It's now one beyond. I'm getting it hadn't a Stannah lift in the late 90s. Stannah lift. Yeah, late 90s Stannah lift. I'm guessing it's behind there. The floor's closed off now. This is the lift at H&M in Swansea City Centre. Lift sign up there. Ooh. Large floor directory gone now, there's no floor directory again. Elevators in Wales video for this lift about 6 years ago. There was no floor directory. And now once more there's no floor directory. It's got to 1. It's a MonoSpace. Does sound a tiny bit better, I think. Than when I came last time. Capacity 1,000 kilos to 8 persons, installed 2010. Nice double clunk. Down to G. Boot button. Here back at G or 0. Clunk clunk. Very nice. Very dark still. This was the old Slater's. It's got a MonoSpace. Slater's has now moved to a 1-floor shop in the same building, same complex, but it's now 1 floor of the new shop. That old unit is vacant still. This is lift at Zara in Swansea City Centre. It's an advanced lift. This is actually Emerald traction. It's quite a weird advance for a Zara store. I like it though. It's nice. I've got a feeling this Zara store might close at one point though, because they got that huge one in Cardiff now, and Swansea's not a huge city.
Doors closing.
Doors closing. Oh, yeah, I've got that like goofy voice. Capacity 1,000 kilos, 13 persons, installed 2008. Glass, put it in an enclosed shaft.
First floor.
First floor.
Doors opening.
Doors opening. It's been on to 0.
Doors closing.
Doors closing. I can't go with that voice, that's really funny. Yeah, I'll go that down. Here we are back at 0.
0.
0. Controls there.
Doors opening.
0. Sorry, oh, weird lights. Weird lights. Oakland looking keyhole there.
Doors
Full directory there. There it goes. This is the main lift, the front lift at M&S in Swansea city centre. It's got 2. Used to be an older lift, I'm guessing either Furse or Evans, and it was modernised by Stannah, I think, or Jackson, and then it was modernised again by Jackson. Capacity 26 persons, 2,000 kilos. Those installed, all modernised first time, modernised second time 2020. Definitely a mod. That's not an install. Come on, those doors look so old. Here it is at 2 again. Bing, boom. Oh, that chime. Is someone in it? No. Let's go down to G. This lift is going down. Is the bottom broken? Oh, G's already pressed. Wait, call cancel? No. That just must have been a bit of a glitch. Don't know, must have been a bit of a glitch, yeah. There's no way this was an install, this is a mod. Just a heavy mod.
Ground floor.
Alarm system there.
Doors opening.
Security camera up there. This Jimmy Wood 12 would say. See the old panel there? Looks like you could tell where the old panel was. If this looks, maybe I think this is probably the same shape as the old, or the cold ones from the first one. I guess that's indicated from the first mod. This is the rear lift, the sort of small lift at the M&S in Swansea city centre. Capacity 6 kilos per person. This is also like an old Furse or Evans, I'm guessing. And you can see, yeah, 2006. I'm guessing the first lift had a mod in 2006, and then it's had a very light refurbishment by Stannah. I don't know if it was Jackson. I think it was Jackson originally in 2006, and then it's gone up to 1. Refurbished 2006, and then they've like just put that over. You still see where it's in 2006. That seat there. Overloaded light. Emergency phone system. Quite nice G. It's hydraulic, this one. Other one's traction. It's a lot slower than the other one. I wonder if this is a later addition to the store. I'm not too sure. Yeah, this back bit of the store doesn't have a second floor, or it's staff only. I don't know if they're building. Maybe there is a second floor of the building, but it's staff only. And I'm not going to ride this platform lift because I'm just that's to get caught, isn't it? Standard platform lift, capacity 400 kilos, I think it's 5 persons. Just up to this like back exit level. This is the lift at Painful Primark, as NCHLT calls it, in Swansea city centre. That'll do that last time, I think. Floor directory there. It's a Gen 2. A mix of jumbo and regular sized US 91, I think. It's just been really busy. It's just really busy. Here we go. High pitched chime. That's this old Primark. Sorry. I don't really know if I'll be able to get any good footage of this, to be honest. I mean, even on Sunday you can't get any footage of Primark. Can't get footage of Primark. Well, Primark, that's just Primark, isn't it? shop could definitely do with 2 lifts. It's not really that big of a shop, but it's 3 floors. It's not, floor space wise, it's not big, but it's 3 floors, so could do with 2 lifts. I guess if it was a new plan, I would do it at 2 lifts, but these old ones always like this size. Even for 3 floors, smaller floor space, 3 floors, they would only have one, they'd only install 1 lift. Proof that Primark's a growing business. Like the 18 years this Primark's been here, it's grown like mad. Yeah, it sells at 6. So, right, so I know it's Gen 2. Capacity 2,000 kilos, 25 persons. A few Primark Gen 2s say that. Have that weight capacity. Usually 26 persons, 2,000 kilos. It's still 2006, so yeah, we're not going to for footage, are we? Oh dear. Sometimes I question as to why I even bother to film lifts in Primark stores. Maybe not, actually, it's probably the only time I question. I should have, don't I? Oh, I actually hate filming lifts in Primark stores. I feel like it's a job though, but it's my hobby. I want to film the lift, but it's not a really enjoyable experience compared to all the shops. Primark is probably the least enjoyable lift filming experience of retail. Oh, this is painful. I feel bad for this lift. All lift has to do has to sustain this much use pretty much every day. Finally. Right, I'll try to get down to -1 again, but if it stops the ground I might just get out. Oh, let's go this. I think I've been installed for like half an hour now. This is at Boots at the Quadrant shopping centre in Swansea city centre. Oh, it was a staff only floor. This is an older lift that's been heavily modernised by KONE. It's looked like a MonoSpace. It's got blue KSS, nice and rare. I wonder if they chose blue because Boots branding just very blue, like the logo's blue. I like it. It's very nice. Nice lift. Yeah, 2 stuff only. But not even work out. It locks off tonight. Not very good though. It's got some one. Very fast as far as I can remember. Capacity 16 persons, 1250 kilos. Shouldn't say that. Should say when it was installed. That should say when it was installed. Modernised 2013. When it was installed. It's faster than you expect it to be, at least. That's G. Ooh, does the TV switch work, or is that just done that anyway because I pressed G? I think it's just slight faster opening. I don't know if it did that time, I don't know, I'll see on the way down. It's definitely an old lift, it's just had a heavy mod. Ground floor. I might turn that down actually slightly from last time. Definitely tells the mod though, that light looks old as well. This is the main lift to like set management toilets at the Quadrant shopping centre in Swansea. Look at old bell there. It's a Schindler lift. Had a slight mod in like the late 90s, early 2000s, maybe mid 2000s, maybe mid 90s. I don't know, but like a slight but mod by Schindler, I think, but mostly original still. And then it had its second mod recently. I think it might be Schindler as well, actually. I think it covered up. I think you say that. Class 1000 kilos per person, so it's installed a mod second time. Here at 0. Do not like that voice at all. Well, it takes starts leveling quite a while before it opens.
Doors opening.
Just saying, Kai, doors closing. I love that voice. Actually, I like that message. I don't like the rest of it.
Going up.
So, well, I can't remember mine up. Welcome to our life. You're at one.
Shower contact.
Quadrant
First floor.
shopping.
Not showing.
This old staircase here as well, actually.
The
It's
doors.
lived at Clark's.
Doors closing.
At the Quadrant Shopping Centre in Swansea City Centre. It's a, think like an 80s, 90s
Going
Stannah lift,
up.
late 80s, early 90s, maybe mid 90s, maybe mid 80s. Don't know. I'm guessing late 90s, early 90s. Stannah lift, modernised by Stannah with Leicester. Don't know if it's modernised. Capacity 6 to 8 kilos, 8 persons.
Floor 1.
Don't know if it's installed or modernised.
Doors opening.
Oh dear, this lighting is not good at all.
Please mind the doors. Doors
Mind
closing.
the doors. Doors closing. Oh dear, Leicester controls.
Going
you can say it's
down.
older Leicester with that indicator. So this was modernised a good few years ago. Got silver. I think it probably was black and it's just worn off.
Floor 0.
Floor 0. Doors opening.
Doors opening.
There's the lift at WHSmith at the Quadrant Shopping Centre in Swansea City Centre. It is a CBES lift, capacity 1,000 kilos, 13 persons. Has one of the Piccadilly line voices. I love that voice. This lift is going up.
First floor. Doors opening.
It's going to ask G.
Doors closing.
Doors closing. Oh, lift's on there. There's one on the ground floor as well, actually.
Going down.
No CCTV camera anymore. I'm guessing that's what it was. I don't know what's there. Down on the camera. I love this lift. I love these lifts. They're so, like, I don't know how to describe them. Yeah, look, old lift, I know, it's a smaller, narrow, shorter, but longer formation, key formation, or sort of like a rectangular formation on the first floor, I think.